It's now my dinner time. Kerry's and Cecile prepared me dinner. I am having gratin made from sliced Irish potato with cheese, cream,
Cheddar.
bake,
The cheese is cheddar.
and this is cauliflower bake along with baked chicken. Here we have the baguettes and here we have the octopus. This one is octopus, guys.
With onion.
Oh my god, it's very nice. Octopus with onions,
C'est de bière ou
scallion,
Lemon.
lemon,
Oil.
and olive oil.
Yeah.
Wow, it's very tasty, guys. I'm really enjoying this. This is what they call the French food, and they have to teach me to prepare this one. I don't know how to prepare this one. They will have to teach me. So, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my meal now. Bye for now. These are all mine. Thanks again, girls. I really appreciate these stuff. You really make my day a special one. Thanks to you all.